Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get operagx on your laptop. So you first go to Google and type in operagx. I always used to get the official link, so not an advertisement. You go to operagx and here you go. You click on download operagx. Now where you want to save it, let's see. For now I save it on my desktop. Okay, then you just accept and install, and then accept, and now it's downloading, so you just have to wait a little bit. And here we are, it's opening operagx. So here's the web browser and it's easily download. So it just welcomes you at first. Hello, start now. You can take a full tour if you want. Choose your style. Default, I just like GX Classic. Select the wallpaper, I like that one. That's cool. Set up your inventory, what you want, which app you would like to have on your browser. Oh, here you can select which one you want. Then you could select browser, so you could easily like import your bookmarks, passwords, history. You can do it all here, so you can import from Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer. For now I'm good, so I'm not going to import. Here are your controls. You can even have a cleaner, so it just takes out your junk. Ad blocker, which is really nice, so I'll take that on. Then browser sounds, background music, you can all turn it off or on. Quick questions, yes. Let's say YouTube for now. And here you can also have it on your phone, so that's pretty good. That's fine. Okay, finish, and here we go.